everyone. We're gonna do a. You're laughing at me.
You can always edit.
We're gonna do a serpentine belt on a Honda Element. Now I just did my buddy's over here, and now I'm gonna do mine. So the tools I'm using are a 14 millimeter wrench and a 1/2 inch ratchet and just the belt, and that's all I'm gonna do. Now what we're looking at here is you're gonna go in here, this front pulley, which I don't know if I can focus on. Focus, baby. Is what is this, power steering, and right underneath that right here is your see the shiny one. There's a 14 millimeter bolt on that, and that is your tensioner pulley. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the wrench on that and pull it off. Wrench goes on.
Let me get from this side.
Now the 1/2 inch fits pretty well in the wrench here, so please wear safety glasses. You don't, if anything goes flying, you don't want to break yourself. So detensioning the pulley. Now I've got enough slack to pull this off, and all right. So that's all loose, and now I'm gonna take note as to where the belt goes through the pulleys.
We're not even in Fresno. We're not even in Fresno. All right.
So I'm gonna climb under the car and a little oil leak.
Oh my God.
Belt is out. Now, here's how I put it in last time. Lord, you can't see anything, huh, with the glare. Let's get in here. Let's get deep in here. So I'm gonna put the belt through this opening here. You have a little more room to wedge it in, and then I'll start putting it through the things. Get in there. How did I do this before? Oh, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm gonna go here on the front side of that tensioner pulley. Just wedgie it in there. So what I'm gonna do is on this pulley here, I'm going to leave it loose. This will be the last one I hook up, but I will put it on the one underneath. So it goes underneath. This one goes around, and shit, it's hot. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go underneath and try to pull it all the way down. You kind of gotta work by braille here and just kind of feel it out, but it's doable. And take it around. Big pulleys.
You're only 4 minutes in.
As high this way as I can. Safety glasses on. Okay, switch hands. There we go. Okay, and that's it. How am I doing on time?
You're at 8 minutes.
8 minutes, all right. Well, that's it. Here, let's start it, make sure it doesn't go flying into space. Cool. That's it.
Wow. That was way easy.